tired of waking up again and again just to use the bathroom? If you're living with diabetes, this isn't just poor sleep. It's your body crying out for help. Those nightly trips to the toilet? They may be signs of diabetic nocturia, a condition driven by hidden blood sugar spikes and kidneys struggling to keep up. But here's the truth. You don't have to live this way. Today on Diabetic Health, we'll show you exactly what's happening inside your body and reveal 4 science-backed foods that calm bladder overactivity, support kidney repair, and help you finally sleep through the night. Stick around until the end, because right after that, we'll expose 3 hidden habits making nocturia worse, even if you think you're doing everything right. Let's begin. The problem, the body's hidden struggle. Imagine this. You fall asleep exhausted, but within hours, your bladder feels like it's about to burst. It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Why? Because in diabetics, high blood sugar doesn't just damage nerves and blood vessels. It forces the kidneys to work overtime, pulling water from your body in a desperate attempt to flush out excess sugar. This process is called osmotic diuresis, and it's a silent sleep killer. Even worse, years of high glucose levels damage the very nerves that control your bladder, causing sudden urges, even when it's not full. And as kidney filtration gets weaker, fluid balance crashes. You pee more at night, wake up groggy, and your blood sugar swings even more wildly. It's a vicious cycle, but one you can break. Let's start with food number 1. The solution, the 4 foods that fight nocturia. 1. Pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty pumpkin seeds are a diabetic's secret weapon. They're packed with magnesium, which helps your body use insulin better. That means fewer post-meal sugar spikes, less stress on your kidneys, and fewer midnight bathroom trips. They also contain zinc and omega-3s nutrients that repair damaged nerves in the bladder, reducing those annoying false alarms that make you jump out of bed. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, preferably after dinner. And within a few weeks, most people report fewer nighttime interruptions and better sleep quality. But here's what makes pumpkin seeds truly special. They're loaded with antioxidants like vitamin E, which protect kidney tissues from sugar-induced damage, helping stabilize filtration and reduce fluid loss at night. They even support liver balance, helping your body regulate glucose overnight, avoiding the sudden sugar dumps that wake you up drenched in sweat. 2. Barley isn't just for soup, it's a glucose stabilizer. With its powerful beta-glucans, barley forms a gel in your gut that slows down carbohydrate absorption and flattens those dreaded blood sugar spikes after dinner. Less sugar spike equals less sugar to filter, equals less water loss equals fewer bathroom trips. Even more impressive, barley's chromium and magnesium improve how your cells use insulin-cutting fasting glucose by up to 25 points in just weeks. And barley doesn't stop at blood sugar. Its ferulic acid and selenium help repair kidney structures and reduce protein leakage, key for restoring nighttime fluid balance and protecting your sleep. 3. Chia seeds. Don't underestimate these tiny seeds. When soaked, chia seeds form a mucilaginous gel that slows digestion, regulates insulin, and helps your kidneys retain water better, especially during the night. Chia's ALA omega-3s reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve nephron sensitivity, making them more efficient at holding onto water when you sleep. Just 2 tablespoons soaked for 30 minutes and eaten with dinner can drastically improve nighttime glucose and fluid stability within 2 weeks. Bonus? Chia supports gut health, improves fat metabolism, and promotes healthy blood pressure, all of which contribute to calmer nights and deeper sleep. Take 1/2 to 3/4 cup of cooked barley daily, and in as little as 10 days, many diabetics experience reduced nocturia and improved kidney performance. 4. Cucumber and celery juice. This refreshing combo isn't just hydrating, it's healing. Cucumber is rich in silica and potassium, which reduce fluid retention and promote kidney detox. Celery contains natural diuretics, but paradoxically, it helps the body balance electrolytes, reducing false bladder signals at night. Together, they reduce bladder irritability, support healthy blood pressure, and lower nighttime cortisol, the stress hormone that can trigger nocturia in diabetics. Drink a small glass, about 6 to 8 ounces, in the early evening, at least 90 minutes before bed. Most users report better sleep and less urgency in just a few nights. The traps to avoid. Now that you know the foods to help you sleep through the night, let's uncover 3 silent habits that may be ruining your progress. 1. Late night snacking, especially carbs. That just a little something before bed? If it contains carbs, even fruit, you're throwing glucose into your bloodstream right before your body winds down. This forces the kidneys into overdrive at exactly the wrong time. 2. Overhydration. After 7 p.m.? Yes, hydration is crucial, but not before bed. Drinking too much water late in the evening causes unnecessary fluid buildup and bladder pressure overnight. Cut it off 2 hours before sleep. 3. Ignoring stress. Cortisol spikes at night from unresolved stress can increase blood sugar, drive kidney overfiltration, and cause middle-of-the-night wake-ups. Use simple relaxation techniques, breathing exercises, magnesium foot soaks, or meditation to calm your nervous system. So, here's the recap. Pumpkin seeds calm your bladder and kidneys. Barley flattens sugar spikes and rebuilds nephrons. Chia stabilizes nighttime glucose and fluid levels. Cucumber celery juice soothes the bladder and supports hormonal balance. And together, they help diabetics reclaim peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. Subscribe our channel where real answers meet real healing.